Hey guys, welcome back to Intrinsic Off-Road. We recently hit over 1,000 views, and I just wanted to take a minute to say thank you guys so much for watching the videos and supporting us. We've got a lot more planned, and we're excited to continue growing with you guys. Hope you enjoy the video.
What's going on, guys? Nathan Daniel just pulled up. It's about like 10:30 p.m. I'm gonna go see. So Nathan Daniels is a team member on Intrinsic Off-Road. He just got his brand new, I'm sure if you guys seen the previous videos, his brand new 2018 Jeep JK. And yes, it is a 2018. Very clean. We've got more content on this Jeep, but yeah, he just pulled up. Really happy to see him. He just got a couple things from Amazon. He's gonna put on some small additions, so I'm gonna go check that out and unbox it, see what he's got. Alright guys, so what came in the box, got a little antenna X, my bad. Yeah, so that's gonna be cool. So those are pretty beefy. Yeah, those are pretty easy to install. Just slap these in real quick and get a good function. Just a couple little first things, you know. I think these were the first little upgrades that Quentin did on Noctis. So that was Noctis' first upgrades too. So that's pretty cool. You know, we got the hardware all ready to go. Everything all good. Won't take much to install these, just these Allen heads. So, alright guys, we're about to drop off Nathan's Jeep. He's gonna get the tent on the windshield and on the doors. Nothing too crazy illegal, you know, just to help things out a little bit. What's up, guys? So we made a little a last minute decision to go and buy a twill top, soft top, the best top brand for my Jeep. We went and picked that up. It's in the back right here, in my dad's 4-door Jeep, so we can fit it. So yeah, it was like a little so it's pretty much just like a quick little last minute thing. Just went and picked it up, so there was like no hype about it. So we got it now. Really cool. I'm gonna take it home, clean it up, put it on the Jeep, and it's gonna look awesome. Just made it back with this top. About to take it out, clean it up a little bit, put it on the Jeep. You guys can see it's the twill fabric. It'll be really nice. We're getting the new top on now. We're just bolting in on this bracket right here. Once that's in, it's pretty simple because I've already got the door surround set up from the previous soft top. You know, the tailgate bar and everything like that, it's already in. So once that's in, all we gotta do is zip up the windows, and I'm just gonna do a little clean, that'll be it.
Oh yeah, fake Yeezys.
For all the women.
Alright,
all of our female viewers.
For now, yeah. Yeah, he's got Yeezys.
Alright guys, there it is. I just sprayed all the pollen off. Pretty cool. Really liking this fabric. The material is a lot darker, so the whole Jeep is blacked out now. A lot more versus like your standard black diamond material where it fades out easier. This has got the fabric to where it stays dark, so if you get mud in it or whatever, you can pressure wash it out a few days later and it shouldn't stain. The interior looks really good too because it really just makes everything darker on the inside. Looks really good. Really happy with it. These are supposed to be a lot quieter, I want to say, on the road with no road noise, is what I've heard. So we're about to drive it around and test it out, let it dry off and all that good stuff, and yeah. Alright guys, so that's it on putting this top on. Really cool. It's the best top. Original Mopar. You can see the Chrysler logo. Let's see, right there. It's stamped on the inside, so you can't tell, but that's the original Mopar. Best top, twill top, premium soft top fabric material. Really nice. Still wet from rinsing it off, rinsing all the pollen off, but yeah. Just pulled up and saw Nathan's Jeep. Man, it looks so good. It's hard to see in now. It's just so much darker. It's that legal tint. Nathan got that Spaceman coupe. Blacked out boys. Got a little bit of an update. Got a little bit of an update coming soon for you guys. I'm gonna update you all on everything that's been done to this Jeep recently. Got some more parts coming. Looks pretty good. You happy with it?
Oh yeah, dude.
Looks good.
Sick.
Too late. Wow.
Yeah, we just ate sumo. What's going on, guys? Nathan's about to head out, go back in town pretty soon here. So before he left, today's actually my birthday, so I told him I'd wash his Jeep for him, get it nice and clean so he'll have a good drive back, and about to apply a little tire shine, make it look fresh. He had his first couple little scuffs right here from his feet going in the doorway, and just used this McGuire Scratch 2.0 and buffed that right out. Turned out really well, can't even tell it was there. And before he leaves, we're gonna install his grab bars that he got and his antenna. So yeah, this is, as you guys saw earlier, this is what he got. It's the Antenna X, the little stubby antenna, and then the wall board grab handles that go on the interior. Colin pulling up, about to get it. Get rid of that junk right there. Quick and easy. Alright, so here's the Antenna X. Smaller end is gonna go in the antenna itself. Really easy. Super simple. That's it on that. Looks cool. Alright. I can always edit it. So we're taking out this 13mm right here. One on top and then one in the middle. Just 2 bolts. Super long bolts with Loctite. You can just go ahead and cut it.
Holding the door for us, and we got Colin in there too. He's chilling. Yeah. He's here for technical support.
Alright, so here's the final product on the grab handles. We got all 4 bolts in without cross-threading. It's a really tedious process to not cross-thread them, so it took a good bit of time. They're really good and sturdy grab handles. They're worth it if... Sweet. So these handles are really sturdy and strong. You know, they'll hold a lot of weight when you pull yourself in and out. I don't recommend these handles if you don't want to spend a ton of time installing them. You got to be very tedious with the install process. Not to cross thread those bolts, but in my Jeep personally, I have the paracord ones. Those are just, you know, put in and out very easily and they work good, but these are really good for what they are. You just have to spend the extra time to put them in. Nathan's about to head back home. Wishing him a safe trip.